welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to show you the perfect guisado for your carne asada that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. This amazing and delicious guisado de carne asada. These are my ingredients. I have salt, black pepper, cumin, garlic powder. I have 3 tomatoes, 1 onion, 2 jalapeños, 1 bell pepper, 1 garlic cloves that is worth 5, and 5 tomatillos. Of course, the carne asada. So let's prepare it. This is delicious and amazing. Guisado ranchero. Let's get started. To make this delicious guisado ranchero, let me tell you, you need very few ingredients, but this meat and the ingredients that we are adding are going to come out so delicious and amazing. I am going to chop away 1 onion, just like this. It doesn't matter how big or how small you have it. I have 1 bell pepper that I'm going to cube, almost the same size of the onion. I'm going to add it to the same plate. I have my 2 tomatoes that I'm going to just cube. Look at this, all those amazing and beautiful colors. I have my jalapeño, and I have, of course, a huge garlic clove that it could be almost 5. This is a really huge one. And here I have my 2 jalapeños. I'm removing the seeds very well, and I am going to dice away. The garlic clove, I'm just going to slice. I'm not going to cube it. I'm going to slice nice and thin so that it releases all that amazing flavor into this delicious guisado ranchero. I have my tomatillos that I'm removing the skin. I'm going to rinse them very good through running water, and then I'm ready to start cubing the tomatillo. The combination of the tomatillo and tomato, oh my gosh, just perfection. Once you make it, you're really going to love the texture and the flavors of this guisado. I have everything chopped. All my veggies are chopped. Tomato, tomatillo, chile, jalapeño, onion. And here, of course, I am going to slice nice and thin the carne ranchera, the flat meat. I am going to slice it really nice and thin so that it really incorporates with the rest of the ingredients. I'm going to add half a tablespoon of black pepper, half a tablespoon of garlic powder, half a tablespoon of cumin, and salt to taste. I'm going to incorporate everything really good, making sure that the meat really is covered with all those delicious spices. And now that I have everything here, let me show you. I have the tomato, the tomatillo, the onion, the tomato, the bell pepper, the jalapeños, the garlic. We're ready to start cooking. On the pan, I have 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. We're going to start cooking the meat. The aroma that the meat is releasing, oh my God, just amazing. Let me tell you, the aroma of all those spices is really invading my kitchen. But you want to make sure that it's nice and brown, and you decide how crispy you want your carne ranchera. But I love it just like that. Once it's nice and crispy, I'm going to add everything right on the top. All the veggies are going to go right on the top. I'm going to incorporate everything really good. You know what I was almost forgetting? I was forgetting to add 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 cup of water, and we are going to cook this down for about 5 to 6 minutes. Don't forget to add your smoked paprika. This is going to elevate the flavor. All those juices that are in there just gonna be coated with the smoked paprika. And here I'm just incorporating, cooking it for about 5 to 6 minutes, and now I'm ready to taste the amazing juices. And this is perfection made at home. Amazing. Now that the meat is ready, nice and tender, and all those juices are, oh my God, delicious, I am ready to prepare the presentation plate. Of course, you could just add it just like this with tortillas. You could add it with rice and beans. You could even enjoy it in tacos. I am going to enjoy it with Mexican rice, white rice, and I am ready to plate and enjoy. I'll see you in just a little bit. Beautiful family, this is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. Excuse me. So delicious. Amazing. My friends, I am completely done with guisado de carne asada. I added some Mexican rice. Steamed rice is fine, but I am sure you're going to love it. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing guisado de carne ranchera. See you soon. Bye-bye.